Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good and stay safe and healthy at your places. So, students, now it's time for English session. So, take out your child-centric English perfection toolkit 2 of 2 Joyful C. And now, open page number 23. Yes, in early session, we read the story, The Men in Red. So, are you doing practice to read the story and write down question answers in your English notebook? Yes, students, tell me. Very good. You have to do practice on regular basis, right? Okay. Once again, today we will revise it, right? So start THE, the M and men. Phonic sound of E is A, right? The men, IN, in, red, red, HAD, had, a, pet. The men in red had a pet. The men in red had a pet, right? So next line, THE, the pet, WAS was a her and hen. The pet was a hen, right? जो मैन थे उनके पास क्या था? पेट. और वो पेट कौन सा था? hen, right? The pet was a hen. The pet was a hen. Okay. We use was for describing the past, right? So next line, the, her and hen, was, in, the, no at, net. The hen was in the net. The hen was in the net. और जो hen था वो किस में था? नेट के अंदर. in means अंदर के लिए यूज करते हैं हम in, right? The hen was in the net. Now next, the, her and hen, laid. The hen laid and 10 eggs, EGGS, eggs. Okay, these are 10 eggs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The hen laid 10 eggs. Hen ने 10 eggs दिए, right? The hen laid 10 eggs. The hen laid 10 eggs. Next line. the, and men, ate. ATE, ate. It means khana, right? This is a second form of eat, right? We use ate for the past description, right? Though the men ate the the and 10 eggs, EGGS, eggs. The men ate the 10 eggs. जो men थे उन्होंने कितने eggs खाए? 10 eggs, right? The men ate the 10 eggs. Okay, the men ate the 10 eggs, right? Now, okay. In previous session, we did these question answers. So, students, now you have to give me answer, right? What did the men have? Yes. What did the men have? Men के पास क्या था? The men had a pet. Okay. The men had a pet. You have to give me answer like this, right? The men had a pet. Next. How many eggs did the hen lay? Hen ने कितने eggs दिए? How many eggs did the hen lay? Yes. The hen laid 10 eggs. कितने अंडे दिए? 10, है ना? The hen laid 10 eggs, right? Next, What did the men do with the eggs? जो men थे उन्होंने eggs के साथ क्या किया? Yes, क्या किया स्टूडेंट्स? उन्होंने eggs खा लिए ना? So our answer is the men ate the 10 eggs. Men थे उन्होंने 10 eggs खा लिए, right? The men ate the 10 eggs, right? And now pair up the children, let them read and practice the story in pairs, then come forward one by one and read it out loud. Let the other children clap for each child that comes forward to read. So students, you have to read the story, okay? And now it's time for writing. So take out your English notebook with your pencil and eraser. And now write down question answers in your English notebook, right? Question number 3rd. Okay. What did the men What did the men do with the eggs? Do with the eggs. Okay. What did the men do with the eggs? Question mark. Then answer. The start with capital letter. Okay. T-H-E. The men ate. A-T-E. Ate. The T-H-E. The T and 10. Eggs. E double G S. Eggs. Okay. Full stop. The men ate the 10 eggs. The men ate the 10 eggs. You have to learn this question answer. Okay. And you have to learn your all question answers. Okay, students. And you have to do practice to read this story, right? And send me your videos while reading the story. And you have to give answer of these questions. So you have to learn these question answers. Okay, students. So do more and more practice, right? And now today's English session is over. And now it's time for Hindi session. So bring out your Hindi child-centric Hindi perfection toolkit 2 of 2 joyful C. And now come on page number 22. Yes, in early session we did Vyanjan, sh and throw, right? So students, I hope now you can recognize sh and throw Vyanjan, right? Sh, kshatriye, sh, kshatriye, throw, trishul, throw, trishul. And have you recited these jingles? क्षत्रिय और क्षत्राणी हैं बहुत ही वीर, एक लड़ता तलवार से एक चलाती तीर, राइट? क्षत्रिय, त्रिशूल, रक्षा करता हूं मैं सबकी, सदा हाथ में रहता हूं, तीन धारियां मेरे सिर पर, मैं त्रिशूल कहलाता हूं। ओके, टेल मी, त्रिशूल में कितनी नोकें होती हैं? यस, तीन। त्रिशूल में तीन नोकें होती हैं। क्या आजकल त्रिशूल का इस्तेमाल होता है? नहीं, आजकल त्रिशूल का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता, लेकिन खेल में कोई हम जब प्ले एक्ट करते हैं तो उसमें त्रिशूल का यूज करते हैं, इस्तेमाल करते हैं। ओके, त्रिशूल किस देवता के हाथ में रहता है? शिव या फिर विष्णु? यस, शिव जी के हाथ में होता है ना त्रिशूल। सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू लर्न these jingles, right? You have to recite these jingles. And now move to the next page. Okay, do you know who's this? ज्ञानी, जो हमें ज्ञान देते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ज्ञानी। ओके, जो हमें भगवान के बारे में बताते हैं, ज्ञान देते हैं, तो उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? ज्ञानी, राइट? एंड दिस इज द व्यंजन ज्ञ, ज्ञ, राइट? ज्ञ, ज्ञ, ज्ञानी, ज्ञ, ज्ञानी, ज्ञ, ज्ञानी, राइट? ज्ञानी, ज्ञ। ओके, हियर इज जिंगल। ज्ञानी देते हमको ज्ञान, सीखो उनसे बनो महान, इससे देश का मान बढ़ेगा, देश हमारा साक्षर होगा। यस, ज्ञानी किसे कहते हैं? जो हमें ज्ञान देते हैं, है ना? हर तरह का ज्ञान देते हैं, चाहे वो शस्त्र विद्या हो, शास्त्र विद्या हो, है ना? और भी बहुत सारी चीजें, जैसे टीचर भी हो गए, है ना? अध्यापक, वो भी ज्ञान देते हैं, है ना? हमें तो ज्ञानी देते हमको ज्ञान, राइट? हमें सिखाते हैं। ज्ञानी देते हमको ज्ञान, सीखो उनसे बनो महान। उनसे हमें बहुत सारी चीजें सीखनी चाहिए, है ना? जो हमारे काम आती हैं, उससे क्या होता है? हम महान बनते हैं, हमें भी ज्ञान मिलता है ना? इससे देश का मान बढ़ेगा। जब सब ज्ञानी होंगे, जब सबके पास ज्ञान होगा, सबको नॉलेज होगी हर चीज की, तो इससे क्या होता है? हमारे देश का मान बढ़ता है, और देशों में भी, है ना? देश हमारा साक्षर होगा। साक्षर मीन्स पढ़ा लिखा। सभी पढ़े लिखे होंगे तो इससे हमारा देश महान बनेगा, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? ज्ञानी देते हमको ज्ञान, सीखो उनसे बनो महान, इससे देश का मान बढ़ेगा, देश हमारा साक्षर होगा। वंस अगेन, ज्ञानी देते हमको ज्ञान, सीखो उनसे बनो महान, इससे देश का मान बढ़ेगा, देश हमारा साक्षर होगा। ओके, यज्ञ कौन से लोग करते हैं? पंडित या फिर मौलवी? यस स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पता है यज्ञ कौन करता है? पंडित। यस, पंडित करते हैं ना यज्ञ। मौलवी मुसलमानों में होते हैं, है ना? और वो यज्ञ नहीं करते, राइट? वो कुरान पढ़ते हैं। ओके, यज्ञ कौन से लोग करते हैं? पंडित। यज्ञ में किस पेड़ की लकड़ी जलाई जाती है? आम की या फिर नीम की? यस स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पता है यज्ञ में कौन से पेड़ की लकड़ी जलाई जाती है? आम की। ओके, आम के पेड़ की लकड़ी जलाई जाती है, right? So you have to learn these question answers and you have to recite this jingle, right? ज्ञानी देते हमको ज्ञान, सीखो उनसे बनो महान, इससे देश का मान बढ़ेगा, देश हमारा साक्षर होगा, right? Okay, now it's writing time, so take out your Hindi notebook with your pencil and eraser. Let's do practice to write Vyanjan Gya. Okay, first of all, sleeping line, then standing line, then go to the middle, then make a sleeping line again, then make a curve like this and loop like this. Okay, gyani, gyani. right? So you have to do practice to write Gyani. Gyani. Okay. Gyani. Right? So you have to do practice to write in your Hindi notebook. Okay, students, and send me your regular work and send me your videos while reciting the jingles. Okay, so rest of the work we will do day after, and you have to send me regular work now. Hindi session is over, and now it's time for writing skill session. So bring out your child-centric writing skills perfection toolkit, Joyful C. And now open page number 30. Yes, in earlier session we did this page, IE sound words. And now move to the next page. Do your work on regular basis, right students? So first of all, circle on today's day, mention here today's date, month, year, and check out the weather and circle on the weather. Now see on your screen. Okay, what is this? This is a pit. And who's this? This is a kid, right? Now you have to trace over here. Take out your pencil with eraser. Right here. Pit. P-I-E. Teeter. It pit. It pit. And use of has, right? H-A-S, has. Pit has a kid. A kid. It has a kid, right? Next, look at here. This is a kid and she wears a wig, right? So right here, kid. Write on lines, right? Kid, H-A-S, has a wig. Wig. Kid has a wig, right? Pit has a kid. Pit के पास कौन है? Kid, right? Kid has a wig. और उसने क्या wear किया है? Kid ने wig, right? Kid has a wig. Next, this is a pin and this is a pin. Now, right here, bin, in bin, has, H-A-S, has, bin has a pin, in pin, bin के पास क्या है? Pin, right? Bin has a pin. Next, this is a tin, this is a zip. So right here, tin T in tin has has a zip. Tin has a zip. Zip, zip. Tin has a zip. Now next. This is a tin, this is a wig. Now right here, T in tin, has a wig. Wig, wig. Tin has a wig. Next, this is a kid and this is a fig. So right here, kid has a fig. Kid has a fig. Kid has a fig. Okay, now read the words given for each picture and write a sentence by using has. Make a wig by arranging for an old cap and sticking wool or old pieces of clothes on it. Let the children take turns to try on. Okay, so students, you can make a wig like from an old cap, and you have to stick wool, or you can stick all old pieces of clothes on it. Okay, and then you can try it, right? You can wear it like a wig, right? And you have to do this work in your English book, right? And you have to read these sentences, make these sentences, and send me your regular work. You can write down in your English notebook also, okay, for improving your handwriting, right? So do practice and send me your regular work. Okay, students. So now today's writing skill session is over.